In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of Google Sheets formula logic. Think of this as learning how to tell a cell exactly what to do, instead of just typing a fixed number. When you use formulas, your sheet becomes dynamic, updating results automatically whenever your data changes. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Everything begins with a simple but essential signal, the equals sign. In Google Sheets, a formula must start with an equals sign to tell the sheet you want it to calculate something. If you type 5 plus 5 without the equals sign, the cell treats it as plain text. Add the equals sign, type equals 5 plus 5, and the cell evaluates it and shows 10. That equals sign is your green light for calculation. Next, every formula needs inputs, which are the pieces of information you want to work with. You can type constants directly into a formula, like equals 20 asterisk 5%, which multiplies 20 by 5%. You can also reference other cells, which is where spreadsheets really shine. If A1 holds the number 10, typing equals A1 asterisk 2 returns 20. Change A1 to 12, and the result updates to 24 instantly. This is the power of linking your formulas to your data. A helpful tip: percentages like 5% are interpreted as 0.05, so equals 100 asterisk 5% gives 5. Once you've got your inputs, you process them with operators and functions. Operators are the familiar math symbols: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, and the caret for exponents. Functions are pre-built commands that do more complex work using arguments inside parentheses. For example, equals sum, A1, A10, adds up everything from A1 through A10. Equals average, B1, B5, gives you the average of that range. And equals if, C1 greater than 10, yes, no, checks a condition and returns one result if it's true and another if it's false. Notice how text results in formulas go inside quotation marks. When you press enter, the cell displays the output, the final result of the formula. The underlying instructions remain in the background, and you can always see or edit them in the formula bar at the top when you select the cell. A good way to picture this is to imagine each cell as a tiny calculator. You write your instructions once, and the cell keeps doing the math for you, forever. Update the inputs, and the result refreshes instantly. If something doesn't calculate, make sure you started with an equal sign and that your references are correct. As you continue, explore the official Google Sheets function list to discover more functions you can plug into this same logic. Master the pattern, equals, inputs, process, output, and you'll be building smart, reliable spreadsheets in no time. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.